As Republicans are trying to pass an Obamacare replacement bill, journalists were blindsided by a sudden change in restrictions on Capitol Hill. Political reporters have traditionally had access to senators in hallways, but reporters were told otherwise on Tuesday, according to Casey Hunt with NBC News. Hunt tweeted about the changes, saying reporters were told they are not allowed to film interviews with senators, contrary to years of precedent. Several senators also criticized the change after the news hit Twitter. Amy Klobuchar called for Republicans to allow reporting in the Capitol to proceed as usual. Chuck Schumer tweeted that press access should never be restricted, particularly not when one party is trying to sneak a major bill through Congress. Reporters said the move could reduce the information that gets out to Americans about their elected representatives. The bottom line, journalists are blindsided by new Capitol Hill restrictions.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.